Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet ladies jacket designs model. A crochet ladies jacket design typically involves creating a stylish and functional garment using crochet techniques. Designs can vary, incorporating different stitches, patterns, and details, such as buttons or pockets. Popular styles include cardigans, boleros, or full-length jackets. And you can find a variety of patterns online or in crochet magazines for inspiration. Here are some tips for beautiful crochet ladies jacket. Number 1. Select a pattern. Choose a crochet jacket pattern that matches your skill level. Look for clear instructions and diagrams to make the process easier. Number 2. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that complements the design and provides the desired warmth and drop. Pay attention to recommended yarn weight in the pattern. Number 3. Gauge matters. Take time to create a gauge swatch to ensure your stitches match the pattern's specifications. This helps prevent sizing issues in the finished jacket. Number 4. Color coordination. Plan your color scheme beforehand, considering your wardrobe and personal style. Experiment with constructing or complementary colors for a unique look. Number 5. Master key stitches. Make sure you are comfortable with essential crochet stitches like single crochet, double crochet, and possibly more advanced stitches depending on the pattern. Number 6. Read instruction thoroughly. Before starting, read an entire pattern to understand the constructions and any special techniques involved. This reduces the chance of mistakes and frustration. Number 7. Use stitch markers. Mark key points in the pattern with stitch markers to keep track of increases, decreases, or other important details. Number 8. Try a crochet along. CAL. Join a crochet along can provide community support, and you can share progress and ask for advice if needed. Number 9. Fit adjustment. Consider making a muslin or adjusting the pattern to ensure the jacket fits well. Pay attention to bust, waist, and hip measurements. Number 10. Blocking and finishing. Block your pages before assembly to ensure uniform sizing and a polished finish. Take time with sewing seam and adding any necessary embellishments. Remember to enjoy the process and don't hesitate to reach out for help or clarification if needed. Here are some more tips for crocheting a ladies jacket. Number 11. Texture and stitch variety. Experiment with different crochet stitches and textures to add interest to your jacket. Consider combining simple stitches with more intricate ones for a dynamic look. Number 12. Fitting sessions. Periodically try on your work as you go to check the fit. This is especially important for garment. Adjustment can be made more easily during the process. Number 13. Customization. Don't be afraid to modify the pattern to suit your preferences. You can adjust the length, sleeve style, or even add personal touches like pockets or a hood. Number 14. Pay attention to edges. Clean edges contribute to a polished finish. Take care when starting and ending rows to maintain a neat edge. Consider using stitch markers to help with alignment. Number 15. Yarn substitution. If you cannot find the exact yarn specified in the pattern, learn about yarn substitution. Be mindful of fiber content, weight, and color to achieve the desired result. Number 16. Invisible join. When finishing off your work, use an invisible join to shamelessly blend the last stitch with the first. That creates a neater and more professional appearance. Number 17. Blocking techniques. Master blocking techniques to shape and refine your finished pieces. The step can make a significant difference in the overall look and fit of your jacket. Number 18. Pattern sizing. Double check the pattern sizing against your own measurements. Crochet garments often have easy built into the sizing, so choose the right size that aligns with your preferred fit. Number 19. Take breaks. Crocheting a jacket can be a time-consuming project. Take breaks to avoid hand fatigue and maintain focus. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures a more enjoyable experience. Number 20. Share your progress. Whether online or with your friends, sharing your progress can be motivating and allows you to connect with other crocheters. It is also a great way to get Facebook or tips from more experienced crafters. Number 21. Button and closer placement. If your jacket includes buttons or other closures, carefully plan their placement. Ensure they align properly with the jacket is worn and consider using stitch markers to guide placement during construction. Number 22. Shameless crochet techniques. Explore shameless crochet techniques such as top-down construction to maximize the number of seams in your jacket. This can lead to a more polished and comfortable finished product. Number 23. Consistent tension. Maintain consistent tension throughout your work to achieve an even a professional appearance. This is crucial, especially if you are using different stitches or transitioning between sections. Number 24. Pattern markers. Use removable stitch markers to highlight specific sections of the pattern. This can help you keep track of where you are, especially if you need to pause and come back to your project later. Number 25. Blocking tools. Invest in blocking tools such as T-pins and blocking mats. These tools can assist in shaping your garment during the blocking process, ensuring that it retains its intended form. Fiber care knowledge. Consider the care instructions of the yarn you are using. Some fibers require special care, and knowing how to care for your finished jacket will help maintain its quality over time. Enjoy your crochet journey and may your latest jacket be a beautiful creation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!